Hello, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the first mod video of my Audi A4 B7 2-litre turbo. So today I'm going to do a panel filter change. I'm going to do a panel filter change. I've already done it. I didn't get enough time to actually to film it all, so I'm just going to talk you through the steps I had to do to change it. So here we go. Okay, so basically the air filter box is here. So this is the air duct. So I don't know if you can see, but basically the wind goes through there, in through here, channeled through into the air box and into the air filter, and then back through into the turbo and all that. So what you have to do to replace the air filter is really simple. So you pull this piece apart here, pull it apart there, unclips basically, and that comes out, and there shows the air box. Put that to one side. So there's the air box there. You've got the mouth sensor there, so you don't actually need to do anything apart from take much off. The only thing you need to do is 2 screws, so Phillips screwdrivers, 2 Phillips screws there, pull it back, pull the old filter out, put the new one back in, screw back down. I mean, you also probably need to unclip these as well. So there's one there, yes, there's one there, and one there. So there's just little clips they just pull out like this. Yeah, that's what they do. Just make sure you clip them back in, obviously, when you put it all back together. But yeah, that's it. So I changed the filter. So this is the old filter. As you can see, is a bit worse for wear. It was an absolute mess, absolutely stinking as well. So I'm not really sure when that was last changed, but well overdue change. I replaced it with this, which is a simota air filter. It's so-called a performance air filter. It's sort of the same thing you get with K&N. Oh yeah, I also removed its sound deadening. So this piece is a sound deadening. It sits inside the airbox, sits behind the filter. It doesn't do anything other than dull the sound down. So I just pulled it out basically. Basically clips out. And the film comes out. Underneath there was loads of crap underneath, like wasps and rubbish. So yes, that's cleaned it as well, which is really good. Put the new air filter in, and way to go basically. Really simple mod. Took me 10 minutes, if that. That was it. So has it added anything? Not really. It's added a bit more sound, and the throttle response is a lot better as well. Just slightly increased, which is really good. I will just put some videos now of the sound of the exhaust, just so you can get a rough idea. It has changed it slightly. It's a bit more aggressive. And in terms of the filter at the front of the car, it does growl a bit more, which is nice. So yes, I'll put those videos now. I will say goodbye now. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for plenty more videos to come. Thank you, bye.